Hello fellas, this is Socians with another tutorial. In this video I'm working on Google AdSense PIN verification, personal identity number I guess. Yeah, just last month, ignore this one. The number of ads you can show has been limited. I was just placing ads on my website, and I don't know, I didn't violate any policy of Google AdSense, but so it's okay. And the second error is that your payment is currently on hold because you have not verified your address. When you reach the verification threshold, Google AdSense will mail you a PIN number. Okay, I have some notes here. Google AdSense personal identification number verification. Of course, there are two possibilities, whether you receive or you don't. In the first scenario, let's be positive and let's say that if you receive, you just verify it simply. You can log into your AdSense account and go to the payment section and verify your PIN. Luckily, I received this one, and just yesterday I received my PIN. I'm going to confirm it. I'm going to verify it. In another scenario, let's say if you don't receive your PIN, especially in this COVID-19 pandemic situation that many people will not receive, or it will take a long time to receive in some cases, you can just simply submit a form with Google AdSense and they are going to verify your address. Okay, let's move on. Firstly, we are working on this scenario, whether you do if you don't receive your PIN, and then we will go and verify my PIN, the one which I received. Okay, let's move on to Google AdSense. Here it is, my Google AdSense account, and okay, so you can go to payment. Here I have already this option. I can verify just by clicking here. Okay, first let's go to help and just let's imagine that I didn't receive my PIN. Before I received my PIN, it took really long, I mean more than 1.5 months to receive after my first request. So maximum you can do, you can request 4 times to receive your PIN. I did twice, so just yesterday I received the first one. You can just read this one and you can go down. If you're having issue with your address verification, go to problem with PIN or PIN troubleshooter. I click on PIN troubleshooter, and here answer these questions. Are you earning greater than verification threshold? Say yes. Have you received your PIN? Of course not. Have you already requested your 4 replacement PINs? You say yes. Just after requesting all 4, then you can contact Google AdSense, and there will be an option that you can submit your document to verify your address via email. Okay, we understand due to the postal service issues in your area, your PIN can fail to reach you. That is why if you don't receive your first PIN, you can request 3 additional replacement PINs. You may send us a copy of your official identity documents or domestic bill only if you have requested your maximum of 4 PINs and haven't received any of them within 4 weeks of your last PIN request. In here, but there's no other option to contact them and send them. I think it's because I haven't requested 4 times yet, so there's no other option to contact in here. Though here is an option to contact us, but only it leads you to community, not Google AdSense team. I tried this one. Okay, this is the process that how you can verify your PIN if you don't receive. Here I did receive. I go here and I click verify, and I just type my PIN here. your billing address has been confirmed, and yeah, that is great. Now if I refresh, yes, it is done. Okay, thank you very much, and give a thumbs up if this video helped you, and make sure to subscribe. Every now and then I'm posting some tech related videos. Okay, thank you very much.